Hey guys, I'm sorry about that. I just realized that there is still another problem that I wanted to do with you as well. So, in the meantime, again, remember with this one, negative 1/40th as a decimal, because 40 does not divide evenly into 100, you then need to divide the numerator by the denominator. So when you do the long division, you will put 1 inside and 40 on the outside. And when you do all of the division, and again, if you need a calculator to assist you, you can, but you will get 25 thousandths as your answer. But make sure when you actually complete the answer, you also include the negative sign. So it would be negative 1/40th is equal to negative 25 thousandths. All right, this is what we call a terminating decimal. So this one stops. But what happens if you have a repeating decimal for your answer? So for this one, you would write 7/9 as a decimal. And again, 9 does not go into 100 evenly. So you're going to do the same thing. Divide the numerator divided by the denominator. But when you finally finish, after seeing that the first three are going to continue to be the same, and you can see that you keep ending up with a 7 as your answer down here, you'll tell that it's not a terminating decimal. It is a repeating decimal. That's when you're going to need to use bar notation. Now, in this case, because it is 777 thousandths, you would actually just put the bar notation over the 7. There's no need to put bar notation over each of these because they're all the same. So it would actually be 7/10, but with bar notation to show the repeating. What about this one? 1/11th as a decimal. It would be 9/100ths with the bar notation, because if you were to actually complete it, you would see that you'd first have the 0 here, and then it would have 99999. It would just keep on going. Even if I were to show you, just to give you a quick example of what I mean by that. So here's 1, here's my 11. If I put my decimal point here and my zeros here, here's my 3 zeros. I know that 11 can go into 100 about 9 times, which will give you 99. Oh, and don't forget your 0 here, because you need to, because you had to go over twice. So when you keep going, you'll continue to see that you'll keep getting this. And then you'll be able to see that you have to bring down another 0. There's that one. And then I brought down this one. So it would continue the same way. Here's another 9, or another 0, and then another 9. Sorry, that was supposed to be a 0. So it'd be, your final answer would really be seeing 09, 09, 09, 09, and that's why you would have the bar notation right here. All right, guys, I really hope that this helps. Please make sure that you continue to check all of the assignments on Google Classroom for Math. Many of you may be doing the work on paper, but we have actually been posting Google Forms for you to put in all the answers that you've been putting on paper. All that you literally have to do is copy what you write down on there. Make sure that you pay attention, though, to putting in decimals. If you're going to put in repeating, we're just going to have you actually write the word repeating, and I'll give you guys some directions on that when I make the Google form. But if you need anything else, remember, we are on Go Guardian. You can comment on Google Classroom at any time, but it is so important that you check your Google Classroom page for math especially. It seems as if many of you are really not doing that. It's the one class that we have noticed you guys have not been putting as much effort into. So on that note, please make sure that you are working on that. You do have a reteach page that is also posted on the Google Classroom page, as well as some written notes that I've left for you. Plus, you have the actual worksheet in your packet. So if you need anything at all, please let Mrs. Coughlin or myself know, and we will be happy to help you. Guys, have an awesome Monday. I'll see you soon. Or see you soon on here. Bye, guys.